Yes guys, so today is just a little chill day. Go down for the Negril and probably go up on the beach a little bit, get some massages and eat some food. You know, just chill vibes. You know, we just do a little quick tour on the Negril strip. We don't do much, you know, just lay back and go on with our vibe. So just continue to watch the vlog.
As you'll notice, I had to do a voiceover, guys, for this entire video due to YouTube's strict copyright policies with music playing in the background. So I try to keep the natural vibe intact, so thanks for understanding and bear with me. So this is their menu, right? Like I said, I'm at Jamwest Beach Park in Negril. I tried some fish tea and also some what was it? I tried fish tea. I had some chicken wings for appetizers, and also the jerk pork with some rice and peas, and some, you know, rum punch, Jamaican style, to wash it down a little bit, you know. So this beautiful location sits right on the coast, providing not just great food, but amazing views and vibes as well. Upon arriving, the atmosphere was fantastic, you know, with laid back music, friendly staff, and a perfect beachy ambience that immediately, you know, makes you feel relaxed and ready for a good meal, ready for your good drinks. Look at this beautiful atmosphere, guys. You know, you have some turf, you know, carpet type of look right there, you know, and the wood structure, the sun on the beach right there with the grape trees. Everything is just perfect. All right, so yeah, man, so if you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know, say, I'm a foodie, I'm big on food. So a great day out for me starts with some delicious food, and Jamwest did not, you know, disappoint on variety. To kick things off, I decided to, you know, to try the fish tea because I heard it helped pop the gas a little bit, and, you know, it did not disappoint, you know. It definitely worked wonders. Plus, it was super tasty, perfectly seasoned, you know, comforting and flavorful. And let me tell you, man, the rum punch, all you need is 1 cup. 1 cup of the rum punch, you don't need more than that. It was tasty and the liquor was on point. All right, so next up was the appetizer, my appetizer, hot wings, right? If you're a fan of spicy food, you'll definitely enjoy these wings. They weren't too spicy, but, you know, they were just right. They had a nice heat level, enough to keep your taste buds, you know, jumping around excited without being overpowering, you know? Honestly, I could have easily gone for another round, but I had to save room for the main dish, because I'm a big fan of jerk pork. Anything that's jerk, you know, jerk chicken, jerk pork, I'm a big fan of it, you know. And over here we have some fried calamari, you know, with their sauce. My cousin, Primetime Lando, he had that. You know, he don't eat meat, so speaking of the main dish, right, I opted for their jerk pork, like I said, served alongside traditional rice and peas. Rice and peas was flavorful. No, jerk pork, guys, is something Jamaica is famous for, and I've tried my fair share, so I'm always excited to see how different places put their own spin on it, their own twist. So the pork at Jamwest was flavorful, well seasoned, and nice to grill. It wasn't too charred. However, I would give the overall food experience a 7 out of 10. You know, it reminded me a lot of Margaritaville in terms of flavor and pricing. Not bad at all, right? Just room to step things up a notch on the food, you know, and for an even better experience. So despite that, guys, despite this, the meal was satisfying and filling. The rice and peas were fluffy, flaky, shelly, you know, and complemented the jerk pork nicely, making for a solid, enjoyable dining experience, to be honest. What really makes Jamwest stand out is its fantastic location. Eating with the beach just steps away really elevate the whole vibe, the whole experience, you know. So overall, I'll definitely recommend you give Jamwest Beach, guys, you know, a try if you're ever in Negril. Food and stunning views, you can't ask for much more. Yeah, man. So whether you're a local or just visiting, it's worth stopping by to relax and soak up some of that sunshine, some of that salt water down in a Negril on the white sand. Yeah, man. So thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed coming along with me, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe and also share this video, you know, for more food, adventures, travel vlogs, recipe videos. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring. Peace.